This is the brief on the Spooky Bat Crochet ear warmer pattern. We're looking at a super trendy one-evening craft project using gray and black yarn to make an awesome bat-themed headband, which honestly doubles as a perfect masterclass in clean color work. First, the whole secret here is a technique called Tapestry Crochet, using standard double crochets. And get this, there's absolutely zero cutting of your yarn. You just carry that unused strand right along the top of your stitches, completely encasing it as you go. You know, think of it kind of like hiding a messy power cord inside a wall. It totally eliminates what we call floats, those annoying loose threads on the back. So the inside stays incredibly clean, cozy, and super stretchy. Second, now that your extra yarn is safely hidden inside, how do we actually make the outside look good? Well, there's a golden rule for that. Whenever you're swapping from gray to black, you always want to switch to the new color on the very last pull through of your previous stitch. So why does this specific step matter? Because it guarantees perfectly sharp lines with absolutely zero of those awkward, jagged steps between your colors. Finally, since this whole thing works up in literally just one evening, you can jump in and apply these techniques right away. Grab the full PDF pattern from the creator's Etsy shop. The link is right in their bio. And it even includes a really handy row-by-row chart to keep things perfectly on track. Master that last pull-through color switch, hide those extra strands, and you'll have a flawless, spooky accessory finished before bedtime.